Hey, I'm Shannon with Visit Great Falls. This is What's Up Wednesday, where we look ahead to things happening here in Great Falls the rest of this week and into the weekend. I'm on the grounds of Paris Gibson Square Museum of Art. It's one of our 13 museums here in Great Falls because they have a really neat exhibit you have to check out. It uses neon, and there'll be an artist reception this Friday and a workshop with the artist on Saturday. That artist, Willem, Volkersz, is a Montana resident, but he immigrated from Holland in the 1950s, and he shares his story of the American dream through the use of neon and a paint-by-numbers type of artwork. So again, you can meet him, hear from him, and see that exhibit Friday and Saturday here at the square. It will also be on display here through January. We also have a podcast talking with Nicole and Sarah from the square all about this exhibit. It's called Better Than Vegas. Of course, this neon's better than Vegas. You got to come to Great Falls to see it. Check it out now wherever you listen to podcasts. Also coming up this week, you can check out Great Falls Americans Hockey. They're playing on Friday. And we have some Halloween events for you, of course. On Saturday, this is a really fun one. It's a can't miss with the Great Falls Symphony. Their Halloween Matinee. You can come in costume. Really fun, spooky music. It is free at 11 a.m. Saturday, but you do need to reserve your seat because this is one that tends to sell out, if you will, pack the house. So get your reserved ticket for that free event. And then after the symphony performance at 11 on Saturday, just scooch on over in the Mansfield to the convention center. That's where the Ghouls and Goblins craft show is happening. And then coming up on Sunday at the Lewis and Clark Interpretive Center, it's a Halloween Spooktacular, fun for the whole family with this one, including a viewing of Hocus Pocus. For more anytime on things to do right here in Great Falls, head to visitgreatfallsmontana.org. We're on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And our podcast, as we talked about, called We're No Damn Experts. It's available now wherever you get your podcasts. We'll see you here soon.